Did you know that ChatGPT could not qualify UPSC? But you surely can. How? Let's see. Have a look at these questions from previous year's prelims examination. Now, the first question is a tricky one on Indian economy. Let's first understand what it is and then try solving the question. With reference to the Indian economy, consider the following statements. Statement number one. If the inflation is too high, Reserve Bank of India is likely to buy government securities. Statement number two. If the rupee is rapidly depreciating, RBI is likely to sell dollars in the market. Statement number three. If the interest rates in the United States or European Union were to fall, that is likely to induce RBI to buy dollars. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, all. Now, if inflation is too high, RBI would sell government securities to ease out the pressure. So the first statement is not correct. Now, if you rule out the first statement by exclusion itself, you could get to the answer. But let's go further. If the rupee is rapidly depreciating, RBI is likely to sell dollars in the market just to maintain liquidity and reduce volatility in the market. So the second statement is correct. Elimination of exchange rate variations between legacy currencies, it is expected to lead to an increase in trade and also investments between the countries. Now, when central bank sells dollars, it would suck out the entire equivalent amount of rupees from the market. Therefore, it would reduce the rupee liquidity in the system. Dollar inflow into the market will strengthen the rupee. So RBI will buy dollars in case of interest rates were to fall in US or in the European Union. So the third statement is correct as well. Now, as per this explanation, the answer to this question would be option B. And now let's look at another question. A simple yet tricky question on Indian polity, particularly on the topic of anti-defection law. Now, gone are those days when you could find questions directly on what various schedules are. This one goes into its specific details. The question is, with reference to anti-defection law in India, consider the following statements. Statement number one. The law specifies that a nominated legislator cannot join any political party within 6 months of being appointed to the House. Statement number two. The law does not provide any time frame within which the presiding officer has to decide a defection case. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? One only, two only, both one and two, neither one or two. The statement one here is incorrect. Why? Because a nominated member of a house shall be disqualified for being a member of the house if he joins any political party after the expiry of 6 months from the date on which he takes his seat. In fact, he or she is free to join any political party within 6 months and would not be disqualified for the same. The statement 2 is correct. Why? Because the law does not specify any time period for the presiding officer to decide on a disqualification plea under the 10th schedule. Kyoto Holohan case is a reference. Wait. You don't have to be worried about anything. In order to solve these tricky questions and to develop conceptual understanding aligning with whatever UPSC civil services examination demands, you can join our batches commencing from 13th of April 2023. We are targeting the year 2024 on an academy platform, and if you do it right away, then you can get a flat offer of 25%. Follow Sriram's IS to know more.